On Wednesday, Donald Trump's lawyer said the former president wishes to show up at the civil trial that will take place next week, where a jury will hear columnist Carroll's claims against him for assault and libel, but that it shouldn't be required because it would be a burden on the city in court. According to the letter from attorney Joseph Tacopina to the judge, Trump shouldn't show up for his civil trial unless he makes a commitment to do so. The letter states that Defendant Trump wishes to appear at trial, but adds concern that having a former president travel with the Secret Service and other security protections to the proceedings would place logistical and financial burdens on New York City and the court. Defendant Trump's movement would need to be initially coordinated by a Secret Service advance team hours beforehand each day that he is present, so that a tactical plan may be developed, Tacopina said. This could involve locking down specific areas of the courthouse. Tacopina cited as an illustration the commotion that Trump's most recent criminal arraignment in state court caused. On January 9 in Washington, D.C., Rep. Jim Jordan is seen speaking on camera during an interview close to the House chambers during a series of votes. On April 4, 2023 in New York City, Manhattan District Attorney Alvin Bragg is pictured at right speaking to the media. "Your consideration is greatly appreciated," Tacopina concluded. In Carroll's lawsuit, which claims that Trump sexually assaulted her in a New York dressing room in the middle of the 1990s, and then defamed her years later when he denied it happened, claims she wasn't his type, and suggested she made up the story to promote a new book. Jury selection will start on next Tuesday. Trump has refuted each and every accusation. Trump would appear in person if asked to testify, according to Tacopina. If he does not show up, his legal team requests that the judge inform the jury that he is not required to attend, and that he would not be present due to logistical difficulties. Carroll intends to watch the trial, according to her lawyer. Carroll's attorney criticized Trump's justification in a response to the court on Wednesday afternoon, but he said a live appearance from the late president was not required for the trial. In Kaplan's words, Mr. Trump has not yet responded to the court's question, and he now requests the court to provide an excuse to the jury in the event he decides not to appear at trial. One might anticipate Mr. Trump to make a personal appearance given the seriousness of the allegations at issue in this case. He can, of course, decide to do otherwise. Mr. Trump's presence at a week-long trial won't present any logistical difficulties because this court and the city it resides in are fully prepared. They also pointed out that Trump has recently traveled for other occasions, such as a UFC fight, and that he will be making a campaign appearance 2 days into the trial.